Hi friends, I'm Tyagraj. Once again, welcome to Tally Spotlight Knowledge Sharing Session. In this session, we are going to see how to delete or hide or remove the company from select company list. To starting session, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. In this session, we are going to see how to delete or hide or remove company from the select company list in Tally Prime application. Next, we are going to see reason for delete, hide or remove company from the select company list. Finally, we are going to see key points to remember. Now, let's see the procedure in practically in Tally Prime application. Once double click on the Tally Prime application, now the application is loading. Once loaded, by default it's loading one particular company. The company name is Vikas Associates 2020-21. There is no transaction in this company. I want to delete this company. Means the right hand side button bar, if we click on F3 or you can use the arrow key, the list of option is there. We are going to select F3 option. We are going to delete existing company, which company we already selected. This is the company name. You can able to see there is a 5-digit number is there. That's nothing but company folder number. Now click on that alter company. In the company alteration screen, by clicking on Alt D, you can delete that company. If I click on yes, again it will ask you confirmation, are you sure if you want to delete. Don't do any experiment on live data. If you want to delete that company, before that kindly take the backup, then proceed further. Once company deleted, later you can't able to undo or retrieve that deleted data. There are two major reasons for delete particular company. If you are created any testing or demo data, if you are not going to use for future those demo or testing company, you can delete that company from that company list. If your data got corrupted or if you want to restore the latest backup, replace with the corrupted data, those cases you can delete that corrupted company from the company list. Now confirm that delete confirmation. Yes, company is deleted. Now we can't able to see in the company list Vikas Associates. Here we can able to see Vikas Traders. It's another company. The folder number is 10001. So earlier Vikas Associate now folder number was 14x0. That is a company folder. We can get into company alteration screen instead of F3. From the top menu under manage, if I click on company menu, the list is there. In that list we can able to select. If we want to modify that company, click on alter. In the alteration screen we can able to delete that company, which company we want to delete it. Let's see how to hide that company name from the list of company screen. Vikas Traders, the folder number is 10001. Open that particular Tally Prime data folder. I'm opening that E drive, Tally Prime new. In that there is a data folder. Inside the data folder we can able to see folder number 10001. This is a company folder for Vikas Traders. We are going to rename that folder by giving suffix 10001 old. Now let's see in Tally Prime application list of company. Once refresh it, you can able to see it's not displaying company name. Instead of it is showing the folder number. This hide option we will use only when we don't want to delete any company. We will keep it that data in system certain period of time. Instead of deleting temporarily, we will change that folder name. Either we will give a suffix or we will rename that different folder name. It may be alphanumerical or numerical less than 5 digits or more than 5 digits. I can duplicate that particular company folder and I am going to remove that suffix of that company folder. Now you can see Vikas Trader 10001 it is displaying. Whereas which the original data folder we renamed 10001 old, in that place, in that particular line item, you can't able to see the company name. By renaming that company folder, you can able to hide that company name from the list of company screen. Now let's see how to remove that company name from the list of company screen. Before removing that company or company folder, first you need to close that company in Tally application server as well as all the client system. We need to maintain financial year wise separate books of account, hence here the number of folder may increases. Those cases we can move that which are the financial data we are not going to use it or we are not going to refer for current financial, we can move that folder into different drive or we can move to external disk. Right click on that particular data folder and cut and paste it in whichever the drive or whichever the location you want to move that folder. Unwanted company folder, here itself we can able to delete that folder permanently. We can able to delete those unwanted or dummy or testing company in Tally application itself. In case if you are enabled that security control and you are given the username password, if you are forget that password, you can't able to delete that company in Tally Prime application itself. So we need to delete that company folder inside the data folder. Let's see key points to remember. First, we need to take the data backup if we are doing any procedure in live application. Next, close that company in Tally application server as well as all the client system. If you want to restore that any existing company or backup, don't overwrite that particular folder. Just rename that folder, then restore that recent backup folder. Delete shortcut key is Alt plus D. If you are doing in company alteration, you can delete that company, or if you are doing in voucher transaction or ledger, there we can delete that particular ledger or voucher. I hope we have shared some valuable information in this knowledge sharing session. You may like this video and share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Finally, don't forget to comment on this video. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. Stay tuned, every day something new to learn.